Hi, my beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm sharing this yummy garlic egg sauce with boiled yam. And this is the yam I'm going to be cooking. I already washed the yam. So I'm just going to cut them into round shapes. You can cut your yam into any shape you desire. So that is it. I'm going to peel them, wash them, lay them in my pot. And I'm going to be adding salt and water to it to cook it. And I just want to appreciate you guys. Thank you all. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate you guys for all the likes, love, share, and watching my videos. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And God bless you all. Love you all. Mwah. See, I lay my garlic egg in my pot on top of the yam, so I cook them together. So now my garden eggs are ready. So I'm just going to bring out the garden eggs, and I'm going to be matching it with uro. That is my hand pestle, hand mortar. That is it. Going to match it with this. So you just tell me what you call this in your dialect. It's so handy. It's good to have this. So I put that aside, and I'm going to be frying my mackerel, and I'm using mackerel for this recipe. So I just added a little bit of oil to my pan, added onions, then I fried the mackerel fish. It's so easy dish, very easy, and also not expensive. So I just flip my fish, let the other side fry. So now my fish is ready. I'm going to use the same oil. I'm not bringing out the fish. You can bring yours out. So I reduce the oil, so I fry my vegetable in it. Added onions, green peppers, and habanero pepper, and the red bell peppers. Fry this for a couple of seconds together. Then I'm going to pour in my mashed garden egg. Put it together, then I'm going to add stock cube. See, that is my stock cube. My stock cube is in paste form. I always tell you guys that. I always use this pasty stock cube. Add a little bit of salt, put it together. See, my sauce is ready. My yam is ready, sauce is ready, and thank you guys for watching, and I hope I make this as easy as possible for you guys.